Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 7 best murder mystery movies. A good murder mystery keeps you in your seat from beginning to the end credits. Leave and there is a chance you will miss an important clue. The movie mysteries on this list have that gripping characteristic in the common. So here are we discussing the best murder mystery movies of all time. Murder mystery. As he's matured, Adam Sandler has gone beyond baby talk characters and focused on ones with little more depth. In Netflix Murder Mystery, Sandler delves into the comedy thriller along with Jennifer Aniston. To rekindle their marriage, Sandler and Aniston's character go on a European vacation. Along the way, they are framed for the death of an elderly billionaire. Now, on the run, the married couple must clear their names and solve the mystery behind the older man's death. Happy Death Day. A lot goes on in Happy Death Day. First, the main character Tree is murdered during the first few minutes of the film. Then, in Groundhog Day fashion, she wakes up in her bed and starts the same day over again. Along the way, she gathers clues to determine who the killer is behind the baby face mask. In the end, Happy Death Day is a combination of horror, slasher film, science fiction, and comedy. Death on the Nile. Agatha Christie's classic murder mystery Death on the Nile marked the first time the great Peter Ustinov played super sleuth Hercule Poirot. He would reprise the role in Evil Under the Sun in 1982. The film, which won an Oscar for Best Costume Design, is set on a luxury cruise ship sightseeing along the Nile River in Africa, when a newly hitched rich woman is found dead on board. Poirot is called to investigate. In a bit of foreshadowing, Angela Lansbury stars in the film as Salome Otterborn. 2 years later, she begins her name as classic Christie character Miss Marple. Gosford Park. The great Robert Altman employed the structural aesthetic of the murder mystery to explore English class divisions in Gosford Park. Boasting an all-star cast, the film follows a lavish dinner party in 1932 England, held at a gaudy country estate. While the affluent partygoers enjoy themselves upstairs, the working-class maids and servants toil downstairs below. When a mysterious murder suddenly occurs, allegiances shift, loyalties halt, and soon it's every man and woman for themselves, devious, elegant, and downright salient. Clue. Movies based on board games shouldn't be this good, but due to the awesome cast, killer chemistry, and crackling dialogue, Clue is among the most beloved and best all-time. With a satirical tone, the movie finds several so-called strangers invited to an ominous mansion for a dinner party. Each guest remains anonymous through a colorful code name, and soon learn that they are being blackmailed for sensitive information each holds. When the guests start dying one by one, it's unearthed clues as to who the culprit is.
To death. Now that he's
Identity. The clues of identity are right in the title, and yet by the time the credits rolled, very few people were able to put their pieces together in this enthralling James Mangold whodunit. During a torrential downpour in Nevada, 10 strangers converge at a secluded roadside motel. When the strangers begin to die one by one, answers are hard to come by. In a rather odd coincidence, all of the guests share the same birthday, May 10th, which adds to the maddening mystery.
People started dying.
What's going on? Go in your room and lock your door.
Murder on the Orient Express. Albert Finney plays Hercule Poirot, the infamous Belgian sleuth who is brought aboard the Orient Express when murder takes place inside a train car. Those implicated in the end will surprise you more than the most murder mysteries. The film was nominated for 6 Oscars in total, including Finney for Best Leading Actor.
Strange adventures and foreign